Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook super easy and quick potatoes with green pepper. It's really healthy and really nutritious and quick and easy. For that I need to have cumin, poppy seed, hing, which is also known as asafoetida powder, 4 potatoes, 2 onion, 3 tomatoes, 4 green chili, 1 green pepper, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, half glass of water, corn oil, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric and mango powder. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to heat my pan up with some oil. I have taken almost 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add up my poppy seed, some cumin, and I'm also going to add up my hing. This is really good for smell, for digestion, and also a little bit of pinch to your food, yeah, especially vegetables. I'm going to add up my onion. I've sliced it thinly. Just mix it really well, and I'm going to add up salt for onion to get really quick soft. You can add salt according to your taste. I'm going to add up some potatoes. I have not chopped very thin. It's medium chop. Now you see my onion is really softening up. Now I'm going to add up the potatoes. It's not too small, it's not too big, it's really perfect size how I need it. Now if you want, you can make it small size or big size, it's completely your choice. Now mix it up, mix. And then I'm going to add up green chili in it. Now it's also again optional. If you don't like green chilies, completely avoid it. I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to now add up my 3 tomatoes, which I have cut and chopped small pieces, and I'm going to mix it really well. Yes, and then I'm going to just leave it on high flame. I will close the lid and I'm going to leave it on the high flame for 5 to 10 minutes till the time I see all my tomatoes are mashed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to mix it up again, and I will keep on mixing till the time my all tomatoes are smushed and melted. You see that it got really well mushy. Now I'm going to add up my turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and some dry mango powder. Now this will add that tangy flavor to your potato curry, and it's really tasty when you add that mango powder and cumin powder. Just mix it up well, just mash up all the tomatoes, and potatoes get cooked really well if you put it earlier in the beginning. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my green peppers. If you want, you can add up in the last, but I like the soft green pepper. I'm going to add up in the initial stage. I'm going to mix up my green pepper with all the spices. Look at that, it looks beautiful, it looks gorgeous. Look at the color, look at the spices. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add up half glass of water, and I'm going to mix it up really well, give a nice stir, and then close the lid and keep it, let it get cooked on a slow flame for like 10 minutes. so that the potato gets really soaked up well in the spices. Now look at that, this is how it looked like after 10 minutes. I can see the oil has come up and the potatoes is perfectly cooked. So this is how it looked like. It looked delicious, it looked yummy, it's ready to eat. So you will not believe it smells really good. So you can have it quick and easy potato sabzi or potato curry. And it's really easy to cook. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.